everyone, and thank you for joining us today on Our Ventura TV. I'm Sandra Siepak. Our guest today on the program is Amy Towner. She is the CEO of the Healthcare Foundation for Ventura County. Thank you so much, Amy, for joining us on the show.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here, Sandra.
Good. We'd like to hear from you a little bit more about the nonprofit that you are the CEO of and all that you do for the folks here in Ventura County.
Well, thank you. Healthcare Foundation for Ventura County is the public benefit nonprofit organization that supports the Ventura County Healthcare Agency, which is Ventura County Medical Center, Santa Paula Hospital, 46 ambulatory care clinics, public health, behavioral health, medical examiner, and much, much more.
Very good. I'd like to talk today about something that's extremely important to the community and to you, of course, to your heart, is the commitment to establish a new Ronald McDonald room at the Ventura County Medical Center. This is the third one, I understand, in the state of California.
It is, indeed.
So I'd like to hear from you a little more about that and how it all came about and what you are doing to bring it to Ventura County.
Great. So back in 2012, as you know, most hospitals in the state of California had to build new hospital replacement wing projects for their inpatient care.
Yes.
So North Tower was done, hence 200,000 square feet of existing hospital space had to be repurposed. Ventura County Medical Center being the only West County inpatient licensed acute care for pediatric care with a NICU, PICU, PEDS, and we also have an ambulatory care site, Children's Center for Cancer and Blood Diseases.
Okay.
We care for kids. So there was about 2,500 square feet, the old Homer Auditorium and the PACU that could be renovated. So we reached out to Ronald McDonald. We did a medical feasibility study. Global was thrilled. They saw the level of care that was being delivered in Ventura County and they said, we want to be there. So it was a unanimous vote.
Yeah, because I was wondering how it all came about and how the decision was made.
Yeah, so it's been quite a long time in the making.
Is it? Okay.
And so the other unique part of this is it's about 2,500 square feet. So it's the commitment of our County Board of Supervisors and Mike Powers and their vision and their commitment to families and children in this community and making sure that they're taken care of. And it's a way for us as a community to come around those families and children as they're fighting life-threatening illnesses and diseases.
Right.
So Ventura County, we always love to be the first and only,
That's
and
right.
we are again, of course. And Ventura County will be the first family room location that will have separate family space and then also a quiet space, or what we call a respite space. So they'll actually be separate. So we'll have a family space and a Homer Auditorium with a kitchenette and a family room and a dining room table and a washer and dryer. As you know, Ventura is a wonderful place to come visit, and Ventura County Medical Center is also the trauma hospital. And there's sometimes that families come and there's accidents that happen in the ocean, so they would be taken to Ventura County Medical Center. And so we realize that these places are places for those families to come, so that family space will be there. And then just 163 lineal feet down the hallway will be the respite space. So that's a space to take a nap, to have quiet. Maybe a dad is trying to finish up some work on his laptop and doesn't want to be in the family room space with the television going. Okay. So that's just to kind of give you an idea, but that's really supposed to be an oasis within the hospital that families can go and take care of themselves, have a home-cooked meal, or bring, wash their clothes or take a nap, or also a place for fellowship for families. Other families that are having children that have children that are sick, they find a lot of comfort and solace in speaking to one another about the challenges that they're facing or their fears that they're having. So it's
because
really
it's a very emotional time when your child is in a facility like that, and you are kind of at a moment where you feel, I just need some time. I just need some time to think and get my thoughts together. Yeah. So this is a wonderful place to have for the community.
Indeed. A lot of times if the child is sleeping or taking a nap, a mom can go down and take a shower and get dressed, and
what a nice
just
thing.
To have kind of a refresh before they go in and they have to care again.
So this will significantly help families and children that are both in the same predicament here of fighting diseases, and families that are helping support their children be in this.
Very much.
Okay, terrific.
Very much.
Your goal for this Ronald McDonald room is $1 million.
Correct.
Unreal. And you are halfway there, from what I understand, in raising the funds to make this happen. Let's talk about that.
Yes. So the existing space needs to be updated and upgraded, and so we're in the process of doing that. Larry Rasmussen, a local architect who is also a Rotarian, did all of the schematic drawings pro bono for this effort. So you can tell this is really Ventura County's heart in action right now. And that's what you're seeing, and that's what you're seeing with the fundraising as well.
People coming together to make this happen.
Yes. It's of the people, by the people, for the people, for sure. So once the project was approved and the community saw the commitment that the Board of Supervisors and Mike Powers and all the hospital leadership had towards taking care of families, because we really believe in taking care of the whole person. Whole person care is really the driving force.
Sure.
You know, yes, we deliver great care, but we're going to take care of those families too. So the National Charity League Juniors definitely came through. Every year they've held a gala, and that gala they've had paddle raise for the Ronald McDonald Family Room, and they were really the impetus that came alongside in the early stages and pledged their support. Then our Rotary clubs formed a collaborative, Sandra. All of the Ventura County Rotary clubs came together and were going to support the walk, and this was their action. So in April, the first week in April, every year on a Sunday, we hold a walk for kids. And so this past April we had that, and next April we'll have that again. So a lot of that funding has come from mostly charity, individual donors, National Charity League Juniors, and Rotary so far. At our operators, as you know, as they go around to McDonald's, they have where you can put in your coins and the red shoes. There's money from our operators, and our operators have always been a partner.
But the great thing is that everybody in the community, especially for the walk that you know takes place, everybody can contribute, and everybody can be a part of this to make this come about, which is so nice. And I understand you've raised quite a bit of money with the Walk for Kids Ventura.
Yes, we did 900. In the first inaugural walk, there was 932 participants and over $90,000 raised. So a huge success, and some of those monies are still coming in. So excellent outcomes.
And for that particular walk, if people are still interested in donating money or donating to the Ronald McDonald Room, what is the website for those people to get more information?
So during the walk, it's walkforkids.org/Ventura. They can always give at www.hcfvc.org. That stands for Healthcare Foundation for Ventura County. So HCF. HCFVC.org.
We'll make sure it gets on the screen.
There you go.
But I did want to get that in, because if there are people that want to get more information on the walk when it takes place, they can certainly go to that. I know that your Ventura County Healthcare Agency does quite a bit here in the community. Indeed, so I really would like you to touch on that too, and talk about some of the things that you do beyond getting the Ronald McDonald Room in place, which is set to open. Construction will start hopefully 2020, which will be coming up. We do want to mention that. But you also do many other things for the community. So I'd like to touch on that as well.
So yes, Healthcare Foundation actually, so it's the nonprofit that supports Ventura County Healthcare Agency to enhance and augment that. So some of the programs that Healthcare Foundation does specifically is we have We Give, which is our employee giving program. And so all 8,000 county employees can give, and not 1 cent of administration fee is taken out of that. So our employees can actually invest back into the healthcare system that delivers care to them. Very, very unique. Because we also have the healthcare plan. The county of Ventura has the healthcare plan. In addition, another first and only that Ventura County loves is that our retirees, we have 7,000 retirees, county employee retirees that live locally. And those retirees can also give back into the healthcare system that delivers care to them. So that's very, very unique, and we're the only one in the state of California that does that as well.
That's great.
So lots of other programs that we do. We have the HOPE program, which is the Healthcare Occupations Pipeline Education. So we support that, and that is, we realize the county of Ventura realizes that we're going to have a deficit in in the healthcare workforce. And they're looking at how can we make sure that we're proactively approaching with that. So we're getting children, young high school kids, community college kids, and college kids, and providing opportunities for them to come and experience the healthcare environment and see if we can get them engaged in getting that workforce development, that pipeline.
I know that there will be some more money that's going to have to be raised for the Ronald McDonald Room. What are some of your plans to continue to make this happen?
So National Charity League Juniors, we are an approved philanthropy for them. So they will continue this year and every year with their gala giving with the Ronald McDonald Family Room Project.
Okay.
Rotary has committed that they are going to continue to organize the walk, so the Walk for Kids. So they're the ones that do the volunteering, and they go out and coordinate. And that's a great way for people who are volunteering to get involved.
Oh, good.
They can contact their local Rotary clubs and find out ways to be more involved as well.
Right.
Let's see, other donors, we have a lot of major gift donors that come that are wanting to be a part of it, and corporations. There have also been a lot of legacy gifts that have come through. People have,
many
yeah, there are some that have passed away. I think we've had 3, and their families really wanted that legacy of their loved one to be recognized in this venue and this ongoing.
What a wonderful way to do that, too.
It is.
This is something that's going to make a difference for so many people in years to come.
Right.
We hope that construction will begin and the room will be underway very soon so that so many can enjoy it and use it.
And the $1 million that you spoke of, Sandra, is really to get that construction underway and the space renovated.
Okay.
And then the walk is intended for the ongoing organizational costs that will cost, the cost associated with keeping the family room open and operating.
Okay.
So we really do have a sustainability plan.
Right.
But I think it's always nice when our community comes together, we can cook meals and bring them to the family. There will be snacks. Laundry detergent. There's going to be a plethora of ways for our community to really be involved and engaged and care for one another during our darkest hours.
And that's really so incredible for it to happen.
Right.
And the community here will benefit so greatly from it.
Yes.
It's such a nice thing to see. Amy Chowner, thank you so very much for joining us. Give us the website one more time.
Sure. walkforkids.org/Ventura for the walk, and hcfvc.org.
Very good. Thank you so very much for joining us on the program today. You shared so much information, and we look forward to seeing that Ronald McDonald House room open very soon so that so many can enjoy it and use it. Thank
Sandra,
you again.
it was a pleasure. Thank
Absolutely.
you so much.
Thank you so very
Thanks
much.
for
And thank all of you for joining us today on Our Ventura TV. I'm Sandra Siepak. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, everyone.